Welcome, low ego action heroes. This is Debbie Levitt from deltacx.com. And sometimes I see articles or posts that say that personalization is the wave of the future. I think I've been hearing that for 20 years. So is it the wave of the future? I don't know. It doesn't seem to be totally here yet. Is it a trend? I wouldn't say it's a trend. It's something that in certain cases we should do, and in certain cases we should not do. So I don't have one answer for this, but I'll give you an example of where this kind of goes wrong. So I like to tell the story about how I bought a headlamp on Amazon, and it takes these very special rechargeable batteries. And the lamp was acting a little bit weird, so I wanted to try buying a replacement battery. And so I was looking up the batteries that go in this thing. And for like the next month, what felt like a month, maybe it was less, Amazon kept trying to show me e-cigarettes and stuff related to vaping, and I couldn't figure it out as a lifelong non-smoker. And finally, I was able to put two and two together and realize that the batteries that go in my headlamp go into e-cigarettes. And so even though Amazon sold me the headlamp and should have put that two and two together, they put one and three together and decided I must be into vaping. Someone there must have thought that's personalizing shopping. But is it? So I would say that while there are advantages to personalizing things and getting to know people and what they might want or might do, it's not always done well, and it's not always the correct fit. So for example, there's a website out there where they keep track of things you search on the site, and they will adjust your search results based on your previous searches. I thought that didn't make sense. It sounds like personalization, but if I'm searching for a dog vest this time, and previously I searched for some sort of kitchen appliance, are you going to color the kitchen appliance search results based on things I might have liked when looking for a dog vest? That's what it sounded like they were doing. But so we just have to be careful about this and be careful about trends in general. But when it comes to personalization, put that critical thinking hat on and make sure you are doing something that is meaningful and actionable and helpful, and not just personalization for the heck of it or pushing people weird things for the heck of it. On that note, I hope you will subscribe here on YouTube, hit the like button if you like videos like this so you can see more of them, join our Slack community, and of course there is the optional tip jar. Thanks, and see you in the next video.